Good morning, student, and welcome to Sri Eknath Rao Khadse Talent School, Muktinagar online tutorial. I am Sachin Patil, your computer teacher, and today we are going to solve our worksheet. See, have you seen the worksheet here? This is the booklet of worksheets. Your all chapters are included in this booklet of worksheet. Okay? Now, see, this is the cover page of your worksheet. What inside in this cover page? Student details. Means your details, your information. So, you have to write here your name. What? Your name. Okay? And roll number. Understand? Very good. So, write your name. Just like I write my name here. Sachin Prakash Patil. In this way, you can write your name and your roll number here. This is your cover page. Now, let us start our chapter first, worksheet first. See, this is your worksheet chapter first, introduction to computer, worksheet first. Okay, now in this worksheet, first you write here your name. You write your name here. Understand? I write my name. So write your name in this way. Okay. Now see. Have you look at this picture? Look this picture. What you look inside this picture? A water bottle, a fan, a computer with all parts, and this is a book. Now, can you tell me in these 4 pictures, 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures, which picture is a machine? This water bottle is a machine? No. Fan is a machine? Yes, fan is a machine. Computer is a machine? Yes, computer is a machine. And this is the picture of book. This book is a machine? No, it is not a machine. So, from out of 4 pictures, only this and this, fan and computer, these 2 are the machines. So, tick here. This is the machine. This is the machine. Okay? You tick in this way. Understand? Means in this picture you have to tick which is the machine. So fan requires electricity. So fan is a machine. Computer requires electricity. So computer is a machine. Okay? Very good. Now next, see. What is next? Here, have you seen this? Very good. What is inside there? A computer. What computer? Computer. What right here? A computer is a machine that runs on dash dash. What you write here? You write here electricity. Means a computer is a machine that runs on electricity. What you write here? Electricity. You write here electricity. Understand? Then next, it works speedily and makes our work easier. It works speedily. What you write here? Speedily. It works speedily, and makes our work easy. All of you know that computer works very fast, means speedily. That is called speedily. Okay, computer works speedily and makes our work easier. How it makes our work? Computer makes our work easier. Understand? Very good. Now this is about the computer. Now what is the uses of computer? Uses means where the computers are used. Okay? See. Uses of computer. See. Computers. What the computers are doing? Computers doing what? Calculations. What is calculations? You write here calculations. What is calculations? Calculation means to do the addition, subtraction. In the mathematics you can do the addition and subtraction. Very good. That's the way computer also do the calculations. Means doing calculation. Computer doing calculations. Then playing games. What we would do on the computer? We are playing games. What we do? We are playing games. Okay? We are watching movies. What we watch? Movies. On the computer we can watch movies. Correct? Very good. Then fourth. What we type? Text. Text means we can type our name, mobile number, address. Means typing a text. That is called typing text. Okay? Then again we are music. Dash dash to music. Dash dash to music means we are listening. Listening to music. We are listening to music. Dash dash to drawing. What we are drawing on the computer? We are making a drawings. We are making. What you write here? Making a drawings. So these are the uses of computer. Doing a calculations, playing a games, watching a movies, typing a text, listening to music, and making a drawings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 uses of computer. Understand? Very good. Now turn your page. Second page. Here. Turn your page. See. Places where computers are used. Places where computers are used. Means the computers. Where the computers are used. In the school, in the bank, in the hospital, in the police station, railway station. So these names you write here. That is school. In the school, the computers are used. Schools. In the schools, computers are used. Again, offices. Where used? Offices. In the offices, the computers are used. In the hospitals. Hospitals. Okay? Then again in the bank. Where? In the bank. In the bank the computers are used. Again in the shops. In the shops the computers are use. Again, in home, in our home, we can use the computer. In our home, we can use the computer. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the places where computers are used. Understand? Very good. Now next question, that is tick the correct option. Tick the correct option means what you have to do? Tick. You have to do the tick means which statement is true or which statement is correct. That statement you have to tick here, 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 here or here. Which statement is true? See, a computer is used for cooking. A computer is used for cooking. This statement is true or false? Can computer can use for a cooking? No. So for cooking, computer is not used. Then this statement is true or false? This statement is false. You make a cross here. A computer is used for watching a movies. We can watch the movies on the computer. Yes, we can watch. This statement is true. So you tick here. A computer is used for playing games. We can play the games on the computer. Correct. We are playing the games on the computer. This statement is true. You make a tick here. Again, a computer is used for swimming. Can we swim in the computer? No. This statement is wrong. You write here cross. Second, a computer is used for sleeping. Computer is used for sleeping. We are sleeping on the computer. No. This is the wrong statement. Okay. Then, a computer is used for solving sums. We can solve the sums. We can solve the addition, subtraction. We can do the calculation on the computer. Means we can solve the sums. This statement is true. This statement is true. What is? We are not doing the cooking on the computer. We are watching the movies. We are playing the games. We do not swimming in the computer. We do not sleeping on the computer. We are solving the sums in the computer. So 1, 2, 3 are correct and 1, 2, 3 are wrong. Okay? Very good. Now next. See. What is the next question? See. This is a computer picture and this is a man. A man is sitting and doing something in front of the computer. Means the man or woman sitting in front of the computer. This is the computer, means it is the machine and it is the human. So computers and humans. Computers and humans. Okay? What we have to do? Computers and humans. Here what we have to do? We have to differentiate between the computer and human. We have to make difference. What is the difference between the computer and human? Okay? So, the first difference. A computer works continuously. Computer works continuously. Can we work continuously? Human can work continuously? No. We get tired. So, computer works continuously. And why the computer works continuously? Because computer is a machine. So, computer works continuously. What you write here? Continuously. Okay. This you write here, continuously. A computer works continuously. And a human being gets tired. Yes, human gets tired. We are not working continuously. So we are get tired. We get tired. Okay? Second, what is second? A computer do a fast calculation. Computer do a fast calculation. Which calculation? Calculation. Which calculation? Addition. So a computer do fast calculation. Okay. Now see, human beings do slow calculation. Means human cannot do fast calculations. Do slow calculation. Humans do slow calculations. Okay. Fast calculation, slow calculation. Works continuously, gets tired. Understand? Third difference. What is the third difference? Computer does not have feelings. Computer does not have feelings. Okay? Means feelings means what? Means he cannot cry, he cannot laugh, he cannot anger. Means computer does not have feelings. But human has feelings. Human has feelings. Okay? Human has feelings. Means human can laugh, human can cry, human can dance. Okay? So these are the feelings. Now next, computer cannot think on its own. Next means computer cannot think about things on its own. Cannot think on its own. Computer cannot think on its own. But human beings can think on its own. Cannot think on its own, can think on its own. Okay? Now next is computer can not take decision. Computer cannot take. Here also can not take decision. But human beings can take decision. Cannot take decision, can take decision. Computer cannot make mistake. Computer cannot make mistake. Computer cannot make mistake. But human make mistake. Can make mistake. Okay? Computer has no intelligence. Computer has no intelligence. But human has intelligence. Understand? Very good. This is about the difference between the computer and humans. Computer works continuously. Humans gets tired. Computer do fast calculation. Human do slow calculation. Computer does not have feelings. Computer has feelings. Computer cannot think on its own. Human can think on its own. Computer cannot take decision. Human can take decision. Computer cannot make mistake. Human can make mistake. Computer has no intelligence. Human has intelligence. Okay? This is the worksheet first. I hope you enjoyed the today's session. Thank you, student. We will come on the next worksheet second of chapter first. Thank you.